Hi, my name is Arthur. I'm a senior technician at Aces Garage Door Repair and Installations. We accommodate any requests, so we install any types of doors, any types of motors. We specialize in American-made doors and motors. We provide a warranty that is greater than most. People choose us because we will always come back. Most times, we will come back for free, even if it's something that you don't understand or did by mistake. A lot of people buy new doors, they don't understand them. We definitely come out and provide education. If there's anything about your door or your motor that you don't like or don't understand, we're always ready to come out and provide a better option or educate you on what you don't understand. All of our technicians are professional installers, repairmen. We provide service through DispatchMe and Housecall Pro, which provides information on all of our technicians, their exact position from your home, estimated arrival. We make a timely service and perfect repairs. Many times we go over people's houses, their garage is off track, or they are stuck in their garage due to a broken spring. We repair it in a timely manner, and they are on their way with a very satisfactory service. We recommend LiftMaster openers. They are American-made. They do have a lifetime warranty on most of their Elite Series solid steel tracks. If you are looking for a door to beautify your home and match your home, we definitely provide recommendations. Modern look, contemporary look, a Spanish look, whatever look you're looking for. We have a high quality door that can make your home look as beautiful as can be. Give us a call. We'll come out on your time and provide you with any estimate you require. Repair, replacement, reinstallation, just some education. We're always available to help you with your issues.